and he was an amazing business partner. He's an amazing human being. We live in very different universes now. So how do I feel about him and Sharon Lechter having put this book out in the world? Fantastic, because that is my mission.
How does it feel to have been the business partner for Robert Kiyosaki, the co-author of Rich Dad Poor Dad with Sharon Lechter?
Actually, how does it feel, the fact that he was my partner? I'm the one that invited him to be my partner. Robert was just a little businessman when he did Money and You. And then he was such a good Marine. So we made Robert. So I asked him to be my business partner. We spent 9 years working on all these things on his consciousness. And he was an amazing business partner. He's an amazing human being. We live in very different universes now, but basically he learned about leverage and many of the things he talks about Buckminster Fuller now all the time, which I'm so happy about. And so we spent 9 years, and then we prepare him through the law of attraction and other principles. We brought him into our universe of creating, and he called me on the phone when he met Sharon. And then Sharon, we knew, because we had thought her out. We wanted somebody. We didn't know whether it was going to be a man or a woman, because she was going to be the one that took him to the next level. So I took him for 9 years to one level, got him prepped up, published his first best-selling book called If You Want to Be Rich and Happy, Don't Go to School. And he was bestseller in Australia, New Zealand, Singapore. They might be little markets in the eyes of the world, but not to publishers. So they were willing to take a risk for somebody that had already been proven to be a bestseller. So you see, we are very happy. And of course, we're so happy because Rich Dad Poor Dad, the first book only, was based on our work, which is the work of Buckminster Fuller. So how do I feel about him and Sharon Lechter having put this book out in the world? Fantastic, because that is my mission.